So, do you know Luke Boucvalt? Wait, what?
Hello everyone and welcome to Fix Your Channel, where I fix your thumbnails. Well, that's not what I'm doing today. I'm fixing the whole channel today. This video is not directed towards Will Boucvalt, but it is towards Luke Boucvalt. Will Boucvalt shouted me out, I think twice, so sub to him. Well, Poodog3, why are you going after Luke Boucvalt? He has like 137,000 subscribers. Why go after him? You know why? Because I still never got credit, Luke. Poodog3, what do you mean? Never got credit from Luke? Because I made his thumbnail. He didn't put my name in the description. He didn't put my name anywhere. Thanks, Luke. So now I'm going after your channel. These two thumbnails are exactly the same. Because I made one. And I know it's not the best, I know it's not the best thumbnail ever, but it's whatever. I still made a thumbnail for them. They are literally the same. You can see it. The only thing different is he put a black border around it, and he put part 2 at the bottom, because I didn't do that. I guess to cover up his tracks, he puts black borders around every single one of his video thumbnails. Well, that he makes the thumbnail for. But you know what time it is? It's time to fix your channel. 6.
Do we mute our mics? I mean, like when we're watching the video, do we mute the...
No. Dude, why didn't we watch the Red Rival series? Oh my god.
The Red Rival series?
Dude, why didn't we watch those?
You would have watched the Red, like you're actually wanting to watch that.
Alright, so the first one is the season 2 episode.
The season finale. Game Bro Jr. Jesus Christ.
And the second one, is Mario.
We're retard.
Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, so tell me how that happened.
Why did he point the Nerf gun at him?
Why did they
I don't
go to his
understand.
house?
Well,
What?
This is why we should have watched from
Hey, you're
season
helping
1
me.
to now.
I don't care if I'm lost in the Luke Boucvalt Nerf War series.
It's the Christmas
Wait,
guy.
wait,
It's
wait,
Christmas.
It's Christmas guy, Christmas guy.
Wait, the green mask that goes into the Red Devil series. We should have watched the Red Devil series.
Stop complaining that you're lost in the Luke Boucvalt Nerf War series.
I'm gonna watch the Red Devil series.
Wait, that dude looks like he's from every single Nerf gun commercial. The dude on the bed.
Look, he has another Grinch mask in the background. I don't know if you saw it.
Wait, he does?
Yeah, by the dice.
Oh my god. Why did he hide that? Imagine a girl walking into his room and then just seeing a bunch of Nerf guns on the wall. Like that.
Oh look, it's the cross between Elvis and Dracula masquerading around as a serial killer.
Where are they?
In the hood. Hold on, can we just pause the video for a second? Just pause it, just pause it. I'm gonna
Pause. So what are we gonna talk about now that we paused?
I'm just trying to gain some brain cells back.
What is the Grinch doing in here?
I don't know. Why is the Grinch in this video? Literally, all they're playing the music from their phone and recording it to get the audio.
Why are they playing Halloween theme?
I imagine death so much it feels more like a memory.
What?
Race a glass to freedom.
Shoot it, coward!
Okay, we're a team. No.
Oh, this is where his intro is. His intro, right?
Oh yeah.
Is he holding a cigarette?
Yes.
I'm looking back at my video and it says that you wrote, and I quote, Emma Whale play button Luke Boucvalt. Like, what is that about?
I don't know. It just sounded funny. And like...
Do you know Emma Whale or Luke Boucvalt? Of course I know Emma Whale because she was in the credits of this video, but like...
Yes, I do know Emma Whale. We share a common dislike of Luke Boucvalt. I've heard he owns like more than 100 Nerf guns. I've
heard 200.
Oh god.
I want to kill myself now.
Make myself some hamburger helper. This is gonna be so delicious.
Dude, I love
Okay.
SML's new video, man.
How do I make?
But wait, where's Jeffy? This is an SML.
Where's Jeffy?
SML.
Where's Jeffy?
Oh, I need a pen that you're out of the oven.
Oh, I feel pretty sweet.
Who's playing
That's
Luigi?
nice. What's it like down there?
That's Luigi, bro. Who's playing Luigi? What do you mean? That
Who
is
is
Luigi.
Did anyone actually
Luigi?
cook you?
Luigi is Mario's brother, you idiot.
Oh, but then who's
I
Mario?
barely hear you.
No, what? That's Mario. That's Logan 30 Acre.
Oh.
I don't want to talk about
Well, wait, is this the unannounced
So,
sequel to the Mario Bros. movie? Made 1983.
This is literally the SML movie.
I think. Yo. Yeah.
It's the SML Patreon's leaked video.
Yeah, come on, guys, let's get him.
It's Koopa and his troopers.
Koopa
Why
and
do
the
they have
Troopas
Nerf
with the
guns?
Koopas.
They can't use real guns.
I'll still never see the day you turd.
I like how they're choking Luigi's neck.
Surprise, mamacita!
God, what is
What was that?
Pee-pee?
Oh,
Chef Pee came in and said, "Surprise, mamacita."
Wait, are we gonna actually watch this whole video? I'm not watching this whole 11-minute video.
yeah, I'm not watching this.
I'm not
Yeah,
watching
this is a bit long. I think we're gonna cut it off right here.
Goodbye, cruel world. I will greatly miss you.
Okay, you guys ready for the last Luke Boucvalt video? I know it's sad, guys. Oh, he turned his hat backwards. He's serious.
For beating me last time. Last time, I challenged you.
I like how we just did not stop the video whenever a train passed.
Like, nice car. Oh, that's a
Dude,
big
like-
gun!
Why do they have those in a car? Oh, thanks for the license plate number.
You managed to have to censor that out.
He didn't. He obviously doesn't care about the license plate number.
Oh my god.
It's Nerf or nothing.
Oh, guys, I just realized we're in a Nerf war with those two.
Darts are stupid.
He can make a 10-minute video just reloading the gun.
Oh my god. You got a turret.
Oh, look how they're having this whole war over a bush.
What?
How many tries do you think that scene took?
Well, I didn't come along. What are you?
Call me the Green Demon.
Aw, man. Oh.
Ooh. Oh man. He gets shot.
Swiper, no swiping.
Swiper, no swiping!
Aw, man.
Let's give him credit that he got Logan to appear in his videos.
Yeah, honestly, yeah.
Yo, bro, Logan got into his videos. I'm so proud. Yeah, make your sponsor you Tom the Cat.